Made one more small adjustment. Introducing the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game, today's biggest hit. For your NES. Free personal pan pizza coupon from Pizza Hut.
What's it like to play the Nintendo Entertainment System? Entertainment System. Now you're playing with power.
Watch out for the guy. Right.
The boy, where is he?
Hey, here we go. Down to the dance floor. Mom, ever heard of melody?
Star Wars, a force stronger than your parents doesn't want.
Mario! Mario! Croeso i'r stream. Dwi'n ni trio rhywbeth hollol wahanol heddiw. Mae fwy o arbrawf achos mae Sniper Elite VR yn dod allan. A hoffwn ni gallu wneud stream ohono fe. Oh my gosh, edrych beth sydd wedi digwydd. Oh, whoa. Okay. Dyna pam mae'n arbrawf pawb. Byddwch yn amyneddgar. Edrych ar y pysgod? Okay. Roi un falle na I just cael gwared fy hun i fy hun. Really moyn fel na. Sefyll. Fi angen bod fan hyn. Purpose. Bydd hwnna'n digon. Okay. So, yeah. O ran cael yn y cornel chwyth fan hyn. Gawn ni weld sut mae'n mynd. So falle bydd na Mae'n gofod cymryd hwn off o bryd i'w gilydd I gallu gwrando gweld beth sy'n digwydd yma, ond o ran y chat. Ond ni'n arbrofol heddiw. Dyw e ddim diwedd y byd. Yn high les, dwi ddim di cael yr PSVR allan am oes. Gawn ni weld. Right. Y gêm dwi'n chwarae heddiw. Gwirio bod hwnna'n cywir rownd, ie, ma fe. So gêm dwi'n chwarae heddiw yw Farpoint. Dwi byth di chwarae fe blaen. Oedd e'n gêm am ddim. Paranoid. Am dwi'n setio fyny'r PSVR a fi'n mynd bach yn paranoid bod na rhywun yn mynd I neidio lan ar nain neu rhywbeth. Ond gobeithio nawr bydd hynny'n ffain. Bach yn blurry. Right. So awn ni am Farpoint, ble ti Farpoint? Gwych. Ie, oedd hwnna'n really surprise neis bod hwn yn gêm am ddim. Achos o'n i ddim yn disgwyl efo fod. Right. Ffeindio. O, dyma'r boi. Mae Rhan just fel yr microfiber cloth thingy yn really handy. So. Bit. So, bri gilydd, gallai just... So thing, mae fe mor chwarae weithiau. So, falle na i agor ffenest hwyrach ymlaen, ond fe'n glawio ti fas, so. Oh, sy'n dig... Fe fo fi'n rhy uchel, so...
Select if you are left or right-handed.
Right. Fe'n llaw dde.
Adjust the height to match how tall you are.
So... Ie, 6 troedfedd yn gywir. Oh.
The following steps will confirm that you are positioned correctly within the tracking area.
Okay.
This shape represents the tracking area of the camera. The PlayStation camera tracks the VR headset and PlayStation VR aim controller. To play Farpoint, you must be within the tracking area.
Okay.
If the controller or the VR headset go outside of the tracking area, they cannot be tracked.
Down.
If you get near the edge or the tracking is lost, this shape will appear in-game to guide you back into position.
Okay.
To confirm tracking, touch each segment with your controller.
Oh, mae hwn yn cool.
To confirm tracking, touch each segment with your controller. To see the location of the camera and the tracking area while playing the game, hold the Options button.
Dyna beth
Setup
mae'n neud.
complete. Thank you.
Gwirio bod... So mae mic yn gallu clywed fi. Nes symud y mic yma bach yn agosach.
Hello, planet Earth. I'm Eva Tyson, one of the 230 scientists and engineers stationed up here on the Pilgrim. Regular viewers of this live feed will notice I am not in my traditional t-shirt and socks. I am in a spacesuit. And that is because today I am going home. And joining me on that homeward flight is one of my colleagues, Dr. Grant Moon.
Hi.
Yeah, dwi
It's actually
ddim
pretty
fel
incredible
arfer yn
because we've
mynd
both been
am
aboard the
gemau
program for 3 months. But because there are so many
gofod,
people up here studying the anomaly,
ond y ffaith
this is
bod gyda
actually
fi
the
hwn,
first time
y
that
VAR,
Dr. Tyson and
y
I have met.
PSVR aim controller,
Hello, Dr. Tyson.
Oh,
a fy mi'n gallu
hello,
seithi fe,
Dr. Moon.
mae'n teimlo fel gwn yn eitha
I'm
cool.
sure it goes without saying, I'm a specialist in a branch that applies the laws of physics and chemistry to analyze the genesis and demise of various nebulae in the universe. Observable objects, atomic particles, all the way up. Pretty much anything on the candela and thermodynamic temperature scales. It includes aspects of astronomy and cosmology as well, but it's actually more complex than that, so...
He's a star expert.
Yeah, diflas I fi hefyd.
You know, using that would save a lot of space on my resume.
It really would.
And for those of you who are new to this, our ship is here to analyze a very special wave of radiation. We're all here just for that. Now, the universe is full of solar radiation, but what makes this radiation so special is that it has no discernible source. Masses of energy pouring into the universe from nowhere. So you can see why we're all so fascinated by it.
Limitless energy. Forever. Now, if we look out the window, you should be able to see the shuttle that's coming to pick us up. The Wanderer. Named after the poem.
Wanderer returns.
And if we link to the pilot's POV camera, you'll get a good view of the entire station, as well as the radiation anomaly behind us.
And if we're lucky, we should just be able to see the Big Dipper off to the side, too.
Here we go.
Okay. So... Oh god. Oh wow. Oh. Alright. Hey now.
Wanderer, this is Pilgrim.
Oh, my hon cool.
Please activate your auto
Wow.
Roger that, Pilgrim. This is Wanderer. Auto-docking sequence engaged.
Oh my gosh, fi'n gwybod chi'n gweld e'n fflat, ond mae hwn yn anhygoel. Mae'r byd mor fawr, mae gofod mor eang.
Wanderer, we're having some difficulty syncing with your docking gear. Your guidance system will take care of your side, but I think we're going to need a second over here.
Right, so now...
Roger that, Pilgrim. Waiting on you.
Gobeithio taw cutscene yw hwn yn unig, a fi ddim gorfod gwasgu unrhyw beth to? Iawn.
Wait. Sync is still not working. We're gonna try a manual reboot. Stand by.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Still nothing. Command, any different on your end?
Mae'n odd bod fi'n dal hwn, ond eto mae'n meddwl joystick o dan fi. Rhaid bod e'n eistedd, a fi'n sefyll, mae'n bach yn weird hefyd.
Wanderer, we're in our EMP suits. We can just open the airlock manually and boost over to you.
Dr. Tyson, I'd rather do this by the book.
This is by the book. Look, we tether to the Pilgrim, boost over to the shuttle, reattach there, release the first tether. It's a simple walk. If we wait to schedule an engineer, we'll be stranded here another week, and the Wanderer will be stuck waiting out there. Are you married?
That is not a useful question here.
No.
Well, there are people I want to get home to.
So, ydych chi'n clywed yn iawn ar mic a'r gameplay?
Sit right with you.
Mae hwn yn pryfed. Wel, dyna ni. Yn galw drosodd o wain a Star Citizen.
Wanderer, please maintain your position.
Enjoy hwn. Hyd yma.
I guess we're taking a walk.
Roger, holding position.
Okay. I'm opening the outer hatch.
Tethers are attached.
So
good. So your name, it's seriously Dr. Moon?
Yeah, but for all the playground teasing.
Dr. Moon.
Where I am right now. God. Look at it.
Oh, wow. So ma nhw dau fyna.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
What the hell is that?
Beth sy'n digwydd? Ma nhw'n mynd I marw yn dydyn nhw. Trusty?
Oh my god. Pilgrim, do you copy? Do you see this?
We gotta move.
What is it doing?
Be fi'n neud?
We gotta move now.
Rhaid I chi beth fi'n neud then.
Okay, let's move.
Neu fi o'r neud.
Dyma, cut your tether.
I just cutscene yw hwn.
Cut it now.
Na!
Cut it.
Be fi'n neud? Oh my gosh. Mae hwn yn dirgrynu hefyd. It's just poor o'r mic. Oh gosh. Just cutscene yw rhaid fi'n neud unrhyw beth. Okay, mwy. Whoa! Mae hwn yn cool. Uh-oh.
Brace for impact. Brace for impact.
O, fi mewn rhyw
Brace for impact.
capsule bach nawr.
Brace for impact. Brace for impact.
Wel, mae PS4 Pro fi fel hofrennydd ar hyn o bryd yn neud sŵn. Ond mae hwnna'n siwtio'r gêm mewn ffordd. Ie, fi gallu clywed e. Fi'n siŵr o fod ddim yn gallu clywed ar stream, ond dwi'n ymwybodol bod e'n
Cass, location report, now.
Location unknown.
Oh, wow.
Analyzing atmospheric composition.
Okay, so
23% nitrogen, 2% oxygen.
Mae'n goffa fi tipyn bach o'r ffilm yna, The Martian. Gyda
63% unknown elements.
Matt Damon. Fi'n credu. Oh my god. Oh, mae hwn yn cool. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, mae'r scope yn gweithio bob beth. Oh, lovely.
Pilgrim, this is Wander. Come back? I say again, this is Wander Actual. Pilgrim, you copy?
Oh my god, mae hwn mor cool. So, oedd hwn yn gêm am ddim gyda PlayStation Plus a dwi just yn... I'm mor dda. Hyd yma, anyway. Right, be fi'n neud o hwnna?
Data beacon found. Transferring files.
Okay, na fi angen neud e.
Error. Visual data corrupted. Commencing audio playback.
So dwi...
Oh.
Eva! Eva!
I'm here! 3,000 feet.
I see you! Pull your chute!
2,000 feet.
Oh my god, ma' hwnna'n creepy.
Grab on!
900 feet. I can't get to you! Altitude
Oh
warning.
no.
Deploying parachute.
No, not now, you... Eva!
I got it! Deployed!
I see you. Oh my god. Your chute's tangled. Deploy your secondary! Eva, deploy your secondary!
Hwnna'n
Oh my
creepy.
god! Eva! Eva, do you copy?
The data beacon also contains corrupted holographic files. Initiating recovery.
Ie, fi'n paranoid nawr bod hynny ddim yn mynd i... Mae'n gweithio fel na. So, o bryd i'w gilydd, fi'n gobeithio sa'n mynd i cael drift. Mae rai aim controller games yn gallu dioddau gyda hwnna. Falle bydd rhaid i fi... Ooh! Oh, the scanner thing dy fi. Mae hwnna'n cool. Right. Ie, o'n i ddim yn siŵr am fel chwarae fel VR games a stream achos chi ddim yn cael chi methu really efelychu fe ond gallai esbonio a kind of dweud be fi'n teimlo a gweld ond ie, gyffroes iawn am y Sniper Elite so mae hwn fel practice bach a game dwi ddim wedi chwarae o'r blaen mwyn bod yn barod am Sniper Elite. Oh yeah.
Fuck me!
Ooh. Okay. Troi hwnna. Neu advice rhaid I fi gwasgu options. Okay. So dyna yw'r blaen.
Assault rifle. The UEP assault rifle is the standard issue rifle for UEP personnel.
Yeah, fi'n gwybod beth
It
yw assault
provides a
rifle,
high rate
right?
of fire and unlimited ammo, but can overheat.
Oh, nes
Keep an
ffordd
eye
na.
on the integrated heat gauge.
Alright. Falle mae rhaid I fi saethu fe, dyna pam mae'n atgoffa fi beth yw assault rifle.
Dr. Moon, Dr. Tyson, this is Wanderer. Do you copy?
It need refresh. So, Anthony. Siŵr o bod rhywbeth yn mynd I neidio mas ata I nawr. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, hwn yn brydferth. Hwna, paid dweud bod hwn di redeg allan o batteries. Yeah? Hwn di redeg allan o batteries yn barod?